guys, so today I'm going to be following Zoella's tutorial on how to do the corkscrew curls on my sister's hair. And on her video, she gave a lot of good tips there on how to get that big, beautiful curls. Alright, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here's my sister. And of course I'm gonna prep her hair first with some heat protector. If your hair is thick, just like my sister, you can go ahead and section the hair so that it'll be easier to curl and so that you'll curl everything. If you want bigger curls, grab bigger sections of hair. And I think that since my sister's hair is a lot, I think it would be good to get bigger sections of hair because I feel like it's going to be poofy if I grab smaller sections of hair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and curl this first part. Remove it just like that. So you're gonna have that kind of curl. She also said to not curl the hair in the same direction, so I'm going to be curling the hair in a different direction. Also, the thing that I noticed about this curl is that it's best if you actually lay the hair flat on the barrel of the curling iron instead of rolling it, so that you would really get that big curl. You guys, so if you all can see, on this side the curls are somewhat bigger because I grab bigger sections of hair, and on this side the curls are smaller because I grab smaller sections of hair. Because before we proceed, I think we need to figure it out first because her hair is layered, so I don't want it to be poofy. Hey you guys, so the curls looks like this at the moment. Just gonna go ahead and pull it just like this, just so that you will kind of ish loosen the curl, but it's not gonna ruin the formation of it. But we're not yet done. This is not yet the finished product. We're moving on to the next layer and section first. And if you hear that like little sound, that would be my sister. Also, if you guys notice, I'm not curling like the root part of my sister's hair because curling near the roots is going to make the hair puffy. And then I look like a clown. No, you're not. Just a cute poodle. This is what we have right now, and this is the last layer here on top. So we're here at this point right now. Woohoo! I'm gonna let her turn to the side. There we go. I really like this big hair on you. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm not gonna hairspray it or whatever at first because I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like pull the curls just like this. Just so that they would kind of look ish together and it doesn't look like it's stiff, but at the same time, as I've said, it doesn't ruin the formation of the curls. And she also said not to comb it or to run your fingers through it because you're gonna look like a lion if you do that. But these curls are beautiful. I actually do like them. Okay, face the camera, face the people of the world. I think if your hair is not layered, it's not gonna look like you have short hair at the front. Because if you turn at the side, like turn to the side please, if you turn right here, it looks like your hair is still long. I actually really do like these curls. How about you? Yeah. It's unique. It's like a curl set you've never had before, and it actually looks natural. And also, since this is the first time I've ever done this thing on my sister's hair, I think I could do better next time, but for the first time I tried it out, I'm like, not bad at all. I was expecting your hair to look like really poofy and all that, but it's good actually. The size of the curls is just enough, I think, for your face shape and all that. But I do agree that I think we need more volume here on top. Are you willing to rock that out?
Yes, I think I'm ready now.
She's ready to rock it out.
Yes.
But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you all like it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!